Hi guys, this is Lazy Million. Welcome to my channel. Please like the video and also subscribe for more. So today I'm exposing my strategy on how to make your first $1,000 from VIX. All you need to do is start by depositing as little as $10 and then you are good to go. This is my analysis from yesterday. As you can see, it went as anticipated and it should straight up. So the strategy is very simple, guys. What we are doing, we are trading VIX using support and resistance, and we know VIX respects support and resistance, so there is no way we are going to be wrong. See how easy that was? It is very easy, guys. It is very easy. So now we're waiting for the market to test this level, and then if the market continues to go up, if look at here, do you see this parabolic SAR? If the market comes and crosses this parabolic SAR, and then we are going to buy. But if the market decides to fall, and then we will sell. This is how we make money from the market. This is my other analysis from yesterday also. This is how the market went. As you can see, it made a breakout yesterday, it fell, and now it's going up. This thing is not hard, guys. So what do I mean by make $1,000 from a $10? It seems impossible. So the first thing that you do, deposit $10 into your account and then start trading using support and resistance. Right now I'm showing you all my analysis using support and resistance and how the market went around these support and resistance areas. As you can see, market is very respectful to these areas. So you deposit $10 and then your first goal is to grow that $10 into a $50. Once your account is now at $50, you continue trading using support and resistance, and then the focus now will be turning that account into $100. Once your account is at $100, and then now you are able to make what you call higher predictions, guys. You are able to use a 1 hour time frame, as I'm using 1 hour time frame on Step Index right now. And you know, on 1 hour time frame, you will spot good entries with the highest potential rewards, meaning you will be making more money. Now the focus will be turning that $100 into a $500 account, and once you are there, you are so close to your goal. And then you need to be very brave in this game, guys. People who make money and people who win are the brave ones. So you need to be brave and follow your instinct, guys. Always use support and resistance. The market is very responsive towards that. As you can see, the market respects all these levels, guys. So once you grow your account to $1,500, now the target is to make a $500 profit, and then you are done. So it took me 2 weeks to grow a $10 account to a $1,000 account. 2 weeks is not a long time, guys. 2 weeks is not a long time. It just needs you to be patient and follow the market. Don't trade what you think, trade what you see. This is my analysis on this chart, and this is how I kill the market, guys. This is how I kill the market. I hope this video will encourage you to do more and pay more attention towards the market. The market is very simple and it is very predictable. All you need to do is to be very vigilant. Be very vigilant and delight. That way you will be able to spot the market's next move. As you can see, now the market is making higher highs, so you can start buying right here. As for now, this is VIX 100. It will shoot up. Please, guys, like the video and also subscribe to my channel. I'll be showing you more stuff on how to trade. This is my weakness. This is my strategy of turning $10 account into a $1,000 account. Be patient with the market and don't be afraid to lose money. You are not going to lose. You are not going to lose. As long as you follow the market, you are not going to lose. Just don't be afraid of the rate. We all go to the rate, but we don't lose hope. We keep on holding because we know the direction of the market. Okay guys, my network is very bad, so yeah, this brings us to the end of our video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be also showing you more stuff on how to kill the market. This is Lazy Million, guys. I'm signing out. Bye for now.